Hi, so my name is Russell Pina. I am a principal TPM with the AKS team here at Microsoft. We are working on producing guidances for customers that implement stateful open source software workloads. To date, we've published 3 such guidances. Our first one was for Postgres using the CMPG operator. The second one was for the Valkey project, which is an open source fork of the Redis project. And then the third one was a guidance for MongoDB using the open source Percona operator. Now, we've produced these guidances to provide customers that want to implement open source stateful workloads on AKS with the guidance to do that following AKS best practices. What we have in the guidances are we have step-by-step instructions along with explanations for how to do things like implement workload identity as part of the solution. But the step-by-step guidance allows the customer to follow in workshop style how to stand up an open source software solution on AKS. We also back all of these guidances with a code repository in GitHub where a customer could download if they want to just stand up the open source solution as a quick start, or they could actually use the code in the repo as a basis to build their own solution for standing up an open source stateful workload in AKS. One of the things that we do with these open source projects, particularly on projects that have a maintainer, such as Postgres, where we've partnered with the makers of the CMPG operator, EDB, to review the guidance, but also to use the guidances that we produce to update their own documentations on how to use their operator in Azure on AKS. For what we have in our pipeline right now, to date we've produced 3. As I said earlier, 1 for Postgres, 1 for Valkey, and 1 for MongoDB. We do have upcoming guidance that we're getting ready right now to support our customers that would like to use Ray, using the Kubernetes operator on AKS to build, develop, serve, and train open source ML models such as OLLAMA and VLLM rather, on AKS. Also, as a request from customers, we're also working on a guidance for Airflow. But one of the things that we would love is to hear from you in the community on what open source projects you would like to see guidance for, the things that you're implementing right now in Kubernetes that you would like to have guidances for on how to actually stand them up on AKS following best practices for deploying solutions in Azure. That was it.